beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, hi, I'm Heidi. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be showing you my wish list for the Sephora VIP sale that is coming up. I'm probably going to buy 90% of these items because they are things that I actually been looking to for a few months or a few days. We have a bunch of launches this year, so I'm going to be going through this a little fast. But I'm just going to explain you or telling you why I'm buying these items. The first item that I want to talk about is this Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette, Mini Viva eyeshadow palette. This is a $25 eyeshadow palette, so it's not extremely expensive. And I really like her small shadow palettes because they're super practical to travel with them, to just use them. And they're super easy and quick because there are only 5 shadows and all of them look perfect together. I really like that setup for her. The formula is really cool and they are not extremely expensive. So if you like Natasha Denona but you don't want to pay $100 for a palette, this is a perfect little tiny palette for traveling, for a quick eye makeup look, or for an everyday makeup look. So, and these colors are my jam. I love these pink new colors for spring, so I'm definitely gonna pick up this palette. There is a new lip balm, liquid lip balm from Givenchy. I'm definitely gonna buy that. It looks super cute. I cannot resist these colors. They look so amazing. The lips on these pictures look so juicy. I definitely gonna pick up this product 100%. Another lip product that I'm gonna pick up is the Glow Lip Pop Lip Balm from Glow Recipe. That looks so yummy. Has so many good reviews. I'm actually gonna pick up both of them. They look so good. One is watermelon and the other one is blueberry. I'm definitely gonna pick up both of them. I love the watermelon line from Glow Recipe. All the products from Glow Recipe and their line are super good. I haven't found anything in their line that I don't like, especially the watermelon one. There is another new product also from Huda Beauty. This is the Cheek Tint Cream Blush Stick. I'm actually thinking of picking up the color Perky Peach. It's a warm dust peach. I also want to pick up the brush that it comes with this collection. This is something that I'm definitely going to buy. I really like Huda Beauty. And definitely want to try this product. It looks super cute. I saw the video from Huda Beauty trying it and I was like, yes, I think I want that product. It looks super cool. I like how it blends and how cute and natural looks on the skin. That's exactly another reason why I want to pick up the brush, because she was obviously using that brush and it looked like applied the product super well. Another lip product that I want to buy, I think this has been out in the market for a little bit, but I just wanted to try it, is the Makeup by Mario. This is the Ultra Suede Cozy Lip Cream. I want to try one of these colors. I'm not sure which one I'm going to get yet. All of them are kind of like brownish colors, so most likely all of them are going to look good on me. So I'm going to just buy one and see how it looks like. I'm going to go to the store probably and take a peek and see which one I like. This is a $24 product and it has 4 stars out of 57 reviews. So some people haven't liked it, but probably it could be the color. I don't know. By the way, everything that I'm wearing today in my makeup look is going to be also down there in the description by like what I'm wearing today. I want a cream bronzer, but I'm not sure if I'm going to pick this one. This is the Sun Melt Natural Cream Bronzer. And the one that I actually want is not available online right now. So hopefully I found it in the stores or it becomes available for the sale. This one has really good reviews. It has almost 300 reviews and it has almost 5 stars. So I'm definitely want to take a look into this product. It's $30 again. It is a brand that I tried once before and I didn't like it, but I want to try this bronzer because I heard so many good things about it. It's not new in the market or anything like that, but I really want to try a cream bronzer. I tried the one from Mario, which I like, but that is more like for recommendations. This is more for my wish list. This is another product that it caught my eye. I'm not sure if I'm gonna pick it up, but I think I might. And also the problem is the color that I want is not available. Hopefully it becomes available too. This is by Melt Cosmetic. This is the Sleek Waterline Eye Pencil. It's $19 and I definitely like the idea of getting my waterline, color it. I most likely always do it. I either do brown, pink, or depends on the eye color that I have. Today, it's specifically, I have a brown one that I adore, and a lot of you have bought it from me, like from my links down below. So I'm gonna leave it down there too. And I also have it in my eyes today, so I'm definitely gonna leave it down there. I definitely want to buy a couple of waterlines pencils. for my makeup. I really like how it looks, the eyeshadows and everything, and the eye makeup, how it looks when you actually put color in your waterline. It looks so much stunning. Like, it looks way more put together. I really like it though. I have two foundations that I want to try. I wanted to try the Makeup Forever brand new foundation, HD Skin Undetectable Longwear Foundation. It has good reviews and it's been out for a while, even though here in Sephora still says that it's new. But I wanted to try though. It looks so good. It has really good reviews. It's $43, so it's not those $100, $80 foundation. So it's something that I actually want to try. It has already 1,000 reviews and it has 4.5 stars. And it says that it's medium cover, natural finish. So I definitely want to try this product a lot. So I'm definitely going to try it. Hopefully I find my shade. Hopefully. I definitely want to try this Givenchy foundation here. It's a matte foundation. It's $49 and it looks really promising. It has 500 reviews, almost 600 reviews, and also have 4.5 stars. So people like this one too. It says that it's medium cover, it's matte. So the other one is a natural finish and this one is a matte finish. So those are the two finishes that I like. I don't like dewy finish. I like natural or matte foundations. So this is something that I'm gonna give a try. I'm definitely gonna buy this one by Givenchy. I'm still thinking about the other one, but this one by Givenchy, I'm buying it 100%. I'm gonna restock in one of my concealers, but I wanna try a new one, and I kind of like wanna try this Dior one, the Backstage Concealer. It has 4 stars, but it's only 18 reviews, so it's something that it looks like it's even more new in the market. I'm definitely gonna pick out this one. It's $29. Let's see. It says that it's full cover and it's a radiant finish, but I don't mind radiant finish under my eyes because you don't want your eyes to be matte under here because it will emphasize more the lines and it will look dry. At least in my skin it will. So I don't mind that it's radiant. Actually, I like more hydrating formulas for my under eyes, so this is okay. There are 2 sunscreens that I want to try. The first one is by Glow Recipe, the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Sunscreen SPF 50. I love Glow Recipe, as I said before, so I'm definitely going to try this one. This is a $34 sunscreen. It has 4 stars out of 800 reviews, so I don't know why it has 4 stars, but hey, you know what? I'm going to try myself because I actually really like Glow Recipe. It says that it's for all skin types, normal, dry combination, and oil skin, and it's a lightweight cream. So I'm definitely gonna try that. I really like when they say they're lightweight. The other sunscreen that I wanna try, even though it's not available, like it says online that is out of stock, I hope that it comes in stock by the sale because I really want to try this one. This is the Tasha Sunscreen. The first one that they launched, it was terrible. Let me tell you, I hated that thing. I ended using it on my arms instead of my face. I didn't like that thing at all. But this is the new one. This is the Silk Sunscreen Mineral Broad Spread Tone SPF 50 with hyaluronic acid and niacinamide. So this one has niacinamide and hyaluronic acid, but this is a little expensive. This is a $60 product. Let's see what it says here. This one, it says for normal drying combination. It doesn't say that it's for oily skin. I am combo, so I'm going to buy it, but I know a lot of you guys who watch my channel are combination and oil skin. So if you're oily skin more, like your skin is literally oily, don't try this product because this here doesn't say that it's for oily skin. So just keep that in mind. And let's see, the reviews are almost 5 stars, but it only has 126 reviews because it's a brand new product. So let's see. Another product I want to try is this Sol de Janeiro, one of those boom creams. I love that cream. But this one is the Beija Flor Elastic Cream with collagen and squalene. Creo que I'm not saying that right, but anyhow. $48 cream when it's a full size, but it's big. It lasts long time. It has really good reviews. It has almost 300 reviews and it has 5 stars. It looks promising. It says that it's for all skin types and it's for the concern of loss of firm and elasticity. Perfect. I really want to get tight. I'm definitely going to try this item. I really like Sol de Janeiro, so I'm going to try that one 100%. Besides restocking everything that I actually need to restock on, I want to try this Olaplex number 9 Bond Protector Nourishing Hair Serum. It's a hair serum. I don't really use that, but I'm like very like, I want to try it. And the concerns that this product is going to attack is the heat protection. So it's gonna be a heat protector. It's gonna shine, help with the damage and the split ends and breakage. It's gonna do everything. It's gonna give you shine. It's gonna protect your hair against the heat, and it's gonna protect it against damage and split ends and breakage. It helps retain the style. So if you blow dry your hair, it will help to retain that. It delivers shine, reduce the tangles and the static. So that hair that it just goes ballistic. My mom's hair does that. And also protects the hair against the environmental aggressors and the heat. So definitely this is a product that I want to try for my hair. It's very, very important for me because I do style my hair a lot. So definitely want to try that product. Again, I'm going to be restocking in other items that I actually need to buy. Items that I always buy. I'm not going to buy too much skincare because I have a lot of skincare to go through. But I definitely always go through a lot of sunscreen. So that's why that's probably the only category for my face that I'm actually buying in this sale. The sale is twice a year. So this is a good time for restocking and buying new items. I've been holding a lot to buy anything from Sephora the last month because I knew in April, the sales comes in April. So I was waiting and finally it's coming. So I am extremely excited. Down there, let me know in the comments which items are you gonna buy from the sale. I'm definitely super curious to know what are you gonna buy. Probably I'm gonna pick up a couple of the items that you suggest down there. So let me know which items are you looking into buy and which ones you suggest me to buy. Also, don't forget to give a big thumbs up to the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, also subscribe to the channel and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!